Hey you, welcome to TG Customs. My name is LaQuanda. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you are returning, welcome back. I always love when you guys come back and visit me. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we will be making this bling cup, which is a bling lid, bling name, and some beautiful butterflies. You can see the name. This cup also is color changing. My favorite cup. And this cup actually is available on my Etsy website. Link in bio or link in description box below because this is YouTube. Guys, if you do want to watch me make this cup, please stay tuned. This will be a fast forwarded video because this cup took me 3 hours to make. So we're going to cut this down to about 5-10 minutes, okay? All right, guys, so let's get into making the cup. Hope you enjoy. We'll start by opening up our Cricut design space on our device. I already have a Tumblr project saved, so I'm going to open up my Tumblr project, and we're going to add the name for this project. I'm going pretty fast, guys, so you got to keep up. You got to keep up. So here we are going to make sure the image is good. We're going to crop out any unwanted space. You don't really have to do this, but I just do it just because. And we click on the image for the cut image. I recommend naming your image so you can find it later if it's like a popular image. Since this is just a name, don't need to do that. Once the image loads into here, I will resize it to the image of the Tumblr cutout that you see, which is usually the height of 5.5 inches is what I usually do. I'm going to resize it to 5.5. Then we are going to make sure that fits in the middle. Perfect. So now we are going to add in our butterflies. Sometimes I use the butterflies that are on here, but today we're going to be attaching butterflies that are already uploaded. So you go back to upload image, and then we'll click on view all. Select the butterflies you want, and then we'll size those to how you want those to print out. Once I have them sized to my liking, I just position them just to see how it will look as an example, and then I will go ahead and get these duplicated. So I'll select all of them, and then we'll duplicate as much as possible or as much as needed. And then I will place them onto the Tumblr image again to see how they will be spaced on the cup. Now I'm not going to cut these out as it is on this image. They will be cut out individually in rows, and I just have to put them on the cup, but I just use the Tumblr image to size it to see how much will fit on the Tumblr and quote unquote how I can get it placed onto the cup. But sometimes I don't even put the butterflies the same direction, so it's just for sizing purposes. Now once I have all the butterflies positioned to my liking, and I have enough butterflies for the tumbler, click on the Tumblr cutout, and we're going to hide it because we're not cutting that image out for this project. Change the colors, and we'll click on make it. As you can see, the butterflies are lined up. They're not as is for the cup. I will rotate this just to make sure that it is lined up to my vinyl. I'm just saving as much vinyl as possible. I am a stickler for saving vinyl. So you see me doing this. You don't have to do this. I'm just moving everything to use up less vinyl. Once that looks good, we'll go ahead and click on continue. applying the rhinestones or the vinyl, I like to spray my cups down with alcohol to remove any oils. Now I'm ready to apply the rhinestones to the name. I found this bottle from a recommendation from another YouTube channel. However, this bottle was hard to squeeze. If anybody got any suggestions on how to make this bottle easier to squeeze or how to add the glue to the bottle to make it easier, please let me know, because I was struggling. Rhinestones are added one by one. It did take me an hour to add all the rhinestones to the lid, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump to me finishing up the lid. As you can see by that last clip, when I poured the water into the cup and the cup turned red, I then realized, yeah, this was the wrong cup that I did. That was the wrong cup that I did. So guys, after completing the cup, this was the red cup. This is the red cup. I had to take off the client's name off of this red cup and start over and put it onto the actual pink cup. So no, I did not just take it and stick it back on. I had to do it all over again, one by one. And here's the one I took off the red cup. Yeah, it came right off though. But no, it will not come off when you're using it. It didn't set for 24 hours yet, so it still had time to cure. But yeah, guys. So tip, check your cups before, if you have color changing cups, check your cups before you start making it. It looks the same. Let me see. Yeah, you can tell this is pink though, and this is a little lighter. I just figured this is pink. I didn't really look at this one, but we got it done. They're coming to pick the cup up today. And that is the cup. Thank you so much for joining me today and sticking with me on this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I know to make more of these kind of videos. Also, if you guys want to purchase a cup of your own, go ahead and visit my Etsy shop. They are available over there in multiple different colors, so go ahead and check it out. And if you are not subscribed and you do enjoy my content, check out some other videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys do stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.